Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima guys. If you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to remove or replace the AC condenser, stay with us, we'll explain how you can do that. There are two possible ways. One is without removing the bumper, but you will have to remove the radiator as well, and that way you have to drain the cooling system, then you have to bleed the cooling system, and it gets really complicated. If you want to replace the condenser only without the radiator, stay with us and we'll explain how you can do that as well. That will be the route that I'll recommend, but in most cases, okay, you will need to remove the bumper on your Kia Optima to be able to remove the condenser that way. Some people say you can do it through the grill, but it doesn't give you enough room, and we'll explain why. So this should guys work on Kia Optima generation 2010 to year probably 2006. Some things will differ, some things may be a little bit different depending on configuration, year build and all that stuff, but the concept will be very close and almost the same with some minor differences here and there. Let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Kia Optima or your car, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get them for a really good price and quick shipping as well. And another thing, if you have a Kia Optima or other car you want to learn about fixing cars, we have guys, that's our main channel, Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. Amazing helpful videos that can save you thousands of dollars. Check it out as well. So let's start on it now. So now this is a 2013 Kia Optima that we will demonstrate on guys. This is the condenser, okay, right here. If you practically guys want to remove the radiator and the condenser at the same time, you need to remove the radiator fan. We have a video on the channel how to do that. You have to drain the cooling system completely, make sure the engine is cold, and you can guys remove them through the backside. But that's not what I would recommend, because there is no need to just remove the radiator when you don't have to replace it. All you have to do, remove the condenser. Now here there could be two different designs depending on the year, and we're going to explain about that. But usually that condenser here, you have two plastic covers, okay, like those ones right there, and they will have, okay, they will have two screws right here, okay, 1, 2, and one on top, 3, and on this side the same thing. Actually two screws and a clip, and once you remove them the condenser is all exposed. If you want to see how to remove front bumper on Kia Optima, the video will be published on our channel soon. If not, you can check it online guys, and find one. It's not very complicated at all. It takes only a few minutes to remove the bumper. Once you do that guys, okay, what do we need to do now? Okay, let's explain. We'll need to actually remove the hood latch here. Okay, we'll need to remove the hood latch, we'll need to remove that radiator support, so the condenser will be able to come out. So let's do that now. Okay, 10mm socket, and we'll just simply remove two bolts here. Hood latch will come out, we'll put it on the side. Here we have one more bolt that's underneath the hood latch. Okay, perfect. Now underneath we'll have one more bolt. Two bolts, excuse me, and that thing, okay, can come to the side, okay, like that. We have the horn only here, so you can remove it or just leave it here, okay, and let it sit that way. Now here guys, you have to make sure your AC system doesn't have any pressure, it's vacuumed down. You can, before working on it, if the AC system is full, take it to a shop, they will hook it to a machine and they will suck all the Freon out. Do not release it in the atmosphere because it's illegal and you can get a huge fine for that. So I will not recommend to do that. Now, since our condenser is already broken, okay, we have absolutely no pressure, okay, and always use eye protection, gloves, okay, we tested the pressure just one more time, nothing there guys. Okay, you can hook up a charging gauge and check it that way. We're going to remove the two nuts for the high pressure and low pressure lines. So let's do that, and we're going to pull them out. One is out, second one now. Okay, great. Now what else we need to do? Just go ahead and pull everything out. Now That's where things can differ a little bit depending on which design you have. You may have bolts holding the condenser to the radiator, or you may have plastic clips like this one, and in that case what you need to do, you have two of them, two on the left side, two on the right side. One is here, one on top. So if we spread both of them towards the front but not enough to break them, and lift the condenser at the same time, it will come loose out of those clips. The same thing will apply to this side now, guys. So on this side things can get a little bit chaotic. And why? We may need to remove, okay, that intake hose, okay, right here, and we'll simply need to do that, the intake, so we can reach and release that clip, because otherwise from here you will not be able to. So alright, perfect. Now if we come right here, guys, okay, I can access one of the clips through here on the bottom, and I'll push on it. Okay, I'll tell you when. Okay, like now, and we can pull the condenser up to the point, okay, that it comes out. Now we're going to grab it this way. It needs to come out all the way of the radiator, then come down to come out of the radiator support, and then lift it up. And if your car has problems with overheating, okay, let us show you guys. That thing needs to be cleaned before we put everything together. So you can see that's how we remove the condenser on Kia Optima, guys. Putting it together, practically it's in reverse order we took it apart. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.